Blue quilts have a timeless appeal that captivates quilters of all skill levels. The calming hues of blue have been cherished in quilting for centuries, evoking a sense of serenity and elegance in any home. Blue and white quilt patterns are particularly popular, offering a striking contrast that is both eye-catching and deeply comforting. These quilts range from intricate patchwork to simple, soothing designs, making them versatile for various projects. Let's explore some of the top free blue quilt patterns available. The Go Latin Stars Quilt, designed by Amanda Harward, is a stunning 71-inch square throw featuring 4 variations of the Prairie Star block. Its icy shades of white and blue evoke beautiful winter landscapes, perfect for adding cozy charm to your home. For those seeking a modern touch, the Polarity Quilt pattern by Elise Leah showcases flying geese units in a striking gradient of blue tones. Measuring 69 by 73.5 inches, this intermediate-level pattern creates a contemporary masterpiece. Beginners will appreciate the crinkle-cut quilt pattern, also by Elise Leah. This easy-to-follow design uses half-square triangles and square blocks to create a sophisticated yet contemporary quilt, allowing your creativity to shine while providing comfort and warmth. For a unique and eye-catching design, consider the Dutch braid blue quilt pattern. This 10-square friendly pattern features a beautiful gradient of blues in a striking braid layout, perfect for intermediate quilters looking to create a standout piece. These free blue quilt patterns offer endless possibilities for creating beautiful, calming, and elegant quilts. Whether you prefer intricate designs or simple patterns, there's a blue quilt waiting to be crafted by your hands. Explore these patterns and start your next quilting project today, adding a touch of timeless blue beauty to your home or creating a cherished gift for a loved one. For even more stunning blue quilt patterns, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and discover designs that will inspire your creativity.